This thing is amazing. I've actually logged a little bit of flight time on it, and in 2 days I've managed to break it enough that I've had to glue it back together already. Good thing I bought the protection plan. It's freezing, I'm going in. So to be honest, I've actually been flying this in the house because the last 2 days have been rainy and freezing cold outside. Bumped into a lot of stuff, messed up the back battery cover. It's already popped off. I ordered a new one, hopefully it's easy to replace. Let's see what happens. I guess don't fly a drone inside the house is the only advice I can offer. So with all the stuff the kids got for Christmas, we've decided it's time to go through their bedrooms and donate some of the old things they don't use. There's a lot of stuff. Like a lot. This is the bag just from Miles' room. I don't know. There's just a lot of stuff in there. Haven't even gotten to Michelle's room yet. Those are the propellers I've broken on the drone in 2 days. I've run out. Hey guys.
Yeah?
I challenge you to some Go Fish.
Okay, I'll play the winner.
We can all play at the same time.
I'll play the winner.
We can all play at the same time.
You have a 10.
Yes. Miles, you got any kings?
Go Fish.
Why do you look so surprised? Did you think you had a king?
Yeah.
He's so cute.
I'm so surprised. Dang it.
Hey, Michelle. Thank you.
Are you out?
I have one card left.
Okay.
I need this victory after last week's upset on Monopoly. Who's got the card I want? Mommy, do you have an ace? Woohoo!
Daddy's out.
I'm out, but I probably don't win because I don't have that many pairs.
Go Fish? Oh, wait.
Daddy's no Go Fish.
I have 5 pairs.
I have 8 pairs.
Oh, really?
4,
Oh, you have 7?
6.
Mommy wins.
Good job, Amanda.
Yay!
Car starters are totally clutch. We have almost no food left in our house except Christmas leftovers, so I had to go to the store.